In this podcast, we are talking about 5 AI applications that are changing the way we create, work, and communicate. Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Welcome to my podcast. And in this podcast, I'm about to talk about uh, 5 AI applications that uh, change the way we work, we create, we communicate, and how we listen to the sounds, musics. Artificial intelligence is no longer something only big tech companies talk about. It's already in our phones, um, our business, or our creative projects. Today, you don't need it to be a programmer or engineer to use AI. With the right tools, anyone can write, design, speak, sing, or build ideas faster than uh, ever before. In this podcast, we'll break down 5 powerful AI tools or applications that are making a real impact in our life. First one that we are going to talk about is Eleven Labs. You type text, choose a voice, and Eleven Labs read it for you out loud with a natural tone, emotion, and pacing. Eleven Labs remove the need for expensive voice actors or studio equipments. One person can now create professional, high level voice content from a laptop or a computer or a phone. If you're running a YouTube channel, podcast, or um, a storytelling project, this tool can save time, money, and effort while keeping quality high. Uh, Unlike me, that I'm using my own voice, to record this podcast. So, if you have in mind to start a podcast or YouTube, you can use Eleven Labs and give it text, and it gives you, it's read it out to you. Second one I'm going to talk about is Nano Banana. As you can see, Nano Banana. Let me bring it here. So, what is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is a lightweight AI creative tool focused on fast, simple visuals and ideas. While it's not as complex as big design platforms, it shines in speech and simplicity. So, what does Nano Banana do? Nano Banana helps you to generate quick visuals, creative concepts, and playful design using AI prompts. Think of it as an idea booster rather than a full design suite. If you have an idea, you can go to the ChatGPT and write it down, a prompt, copy the prompt, and paste it to Nano Banana. I'm going to go to the Nano Banana and show it to you. This is the Gemini, Google Gemini, and whatever is in your mind. So let's say a fat cat riding a bike, and submit. It helps you to create animations or photos. I'm waiting for, as you can see, it says loading Nano Banana. So it's creating, and now you can see a fat cat riding a bicycle, and there is a funny fish in his basket. Okay, so this is it. This is really simple to use. You can use it for your business, you can use it for your YouTube, for podcasts, for everything that you need. Let's back to it. So key features are fast image or concept generation. As you saw, I just uh, I just written a text and it turns to the image very fast. Simple user interface, everyone can use it, no design experience needed, so you don't have to be a designer to use it. And it's fun, creative, experimental outputs. So who can use Nano Bananas? Beginners in design, social media creators, small businesses, people testing idea quickly. And why it matters? Not everyone wants complex tools. Nano Banana is useful for people who want quick inspiration, mockups, or visuals without spending hours learning software like Photoshop or Adobe. Like, what is Gamma? It is AI presentation without PowerPoint stress. Gamma is an AI tools designed to create presentation, documents, and web page automatically. What does Gamma do? You give Gamma a topic and it builds a full presentation or document including structured slides, heading and bullet points, visual layouts, clean design, all without manually dragging text boxes or choosing. All you need to do, go to the Gamma website, Gamma AI, and just sign in or sign up with your email or Gmail, and as you can see, you can open it up to create like content like for the PowerPoint. Gamma tips and tricks, ready to learn how to take your Gammas to the next level. This Gamma is fully editable. Click on anything to customize and test out features. Okay, let's have a look at it. As you can see, it gives you tools to write down. It gives you chart and graphs. It gives you smart diagrams, smart layouts, images, videos, and media. It gives you everything to create your PowerPoint. On which is the fourth one is ChatGPT, the AI brain that talks back. ChatGPT is one of the most well-known AI tools in the world. It's an AI language model designed to understand questions and respond like a human conversation partner. What does ChatGPT do? Answer the questions, write articles, scripts, help with emails, resumes, explain complex topics simply, brainstorm ideas, help with coding, marketing, and planning. So, if it doesn't matter, you are a student, you are a businessman, you have your own business, you can use ChatGPT and it helps you. Key features are natural conversation. It's not like a robot. You think you are talking with a human instead of a robot. Works across many topics. It doesn't matter for ChatGPT. Whatever you are in mind, whatever you have in mind, you can give it to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT start speaking about it. Adapts to your tone and style. If you talk gently, it speaks gently. If you talk normally, it speaks normally. It answers your question. Wherever you talk, you can use ChatGPT, which is really useful in my opinion. And who use ChatGPT? Students, as I said, job seekers, business owners, creators and writers, and developers. And why it matters? ChatGPT is like having a personal assistant and brainstorming partner all in one. For people starting a podcast, YouTube channels, or businesses, ChatGPT can plan help plan content. ChatGPT can help write a script and solve problems. Even if English isn't your first language, it lowers the barrier to learning and creating. And the last one we are going to talk about is an AI music generation that allows users to create full song using text prompts. What does Suno do? You describe the song you want, for example, a sad lo-fi song about starting over. Suno then generates lyrics, vocals, instrumentals, full song structures. Key features are text to music generation. You can give it a text. For example, I'm gonna write it down. It said type any idea you have into a song. A jazz song mixed with Persian style music. And let's create. This should only take about 10 seconds. See what it can create. It says Moon over Tehran. And let's have a look. Let's listen to this song. We just wrote the text and it turns to the song. Who can use Suno? YouTubers, content creators, podcasters, social media marketers, people with no music background. And why it does matters. Before Suno, making music required instruments, studios, or expensive software. Now idea can turn into song in minutes. This opens music creation to everyone, even those who never learned music theory. And final thought about these applications. Why these AI tools matter. Each of these AI applications solves a different problems. 11 Labs gives voice to ideas. Nano Bananas boosts quickly creativity. Gamma simplifies presentations for students. And ChatGPT supports thinking, writing, and learning. And Suno turns ideas into music. Together, they represent a bigger shift. AI is becoming a creative partner, not just a tool. You don't need a bigger budget, a team, or years of experience anymore. With the right of AI tools, one person can do the work of many. The real question is no longer is AI coming. It's how will you use it? Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. And I see you in the next video podcast.